Those who have done can go. We shall start with our reading class. Those who have done watching can leave. We shall start with our reading class.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, what
I
we
have
are
already
reading?
announced, beta. Those who have done can leave because now I want to start reading class. So now only reading class people will be here. All others can make a move. All others can make a move. Only reading class now.
Ma'am, Himanshi is not present.
Himanshi was not there in the morning also, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
She was not there in the English
Ma'am,
class.
this is my reading voice.
Hmm. We shall start with Arya Shah. Is he there? Yes. Arya,
Yes, ma'am.
please start reading.
There was a dense forest on the side of the mountain. Many kinds of animals live in the forest. The deer was eating grasses and leaves with her two young ones. The young ones wandered happily here and there.
Wandered means, what do you mean by wandered? Moving here and
Wandered
there. Okay. Wandered, moving from
here
one
and
side to another. Okay. So wandered happily here and there. Who was wandering happily?
deer's young ones.
Ah, and deer was a mother deer. So after Arya, it is Aradhya Shinde.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
The deer followed her fawns. The young ones entered a cave. The deer was friend,
Frightened. She was
frightened.
frightened.
The deer was frightened. It was a tiger's cave. There were dead
Bones.
animals,
There
bones.
were bones.
There were bones of dead animals all over the cave.
Very good, Aradhya. Very good. You have read it so nicely. Perfect. Now it is
Thank
Anhad.
you, ma'am.
You cannot leave, Aradhya. You cannot leave, huh? Yes, Anhad.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Fortunately, the tiger was not inside the cave at that time. The
Good.
deer was trying to lead her young ones out of the cave.
Super.
At that
That's enough. Enough. Only one paragraph. Each child will read one paragraph. Yes, Dhani Daivik, I will give you a chance. It means that the mother deer followed her fawns. Fawns is the young one of deer, and then she could see that they have entered in a tiger's cave, so she wanted to take them away from there. But what happens after Anhad? Ayan. After Ayan, Daivik. Yes, Ayan, please start.
At the time, she had
She
a,
heard hmm,
a
loud roar. Roar of a tiger.
loud roar. She saw the tiger at a
Distance. She saw the tiger at a distance.
The tiger was coming towards the cave. It was dangerous to go out of the cave now. She thought of a plan.
Good. Okay. Daivik. Anhad, just a minute. Daivik, Anhad, do you want to ask me anything? No. Daivik.
Yes, ma'am. The tiger had come closer to the cave. The deer raised her voice. The shouted, "My dear young children, do not weep. I shall capture a tiger for you to eat. You can have a good dinner."
Now you tell me, Daivik, do the deer eat the tiger?
No.
No, but this was Mother Deer's plan. To make the tiger afraid, she started shouting to her children, pretending as if she is not a deer, but some dangerous animal. She started shouting, wait, my children, don't cry. I will bring the tiger for your dinner. Devansh.
Was
No, the tiger.
I am telling the tiger. The tiger.
The tiger heard
this was
Better read again. Wait, Devansh, you read after me. Devansh, read after me. The tiger heard these words. Read after me.
The tiger was this word.
He was disturbed. He said to himself, whose is that strange voice?
Who is that strange voice
From the cave. A dangerous animal. Devansh, you just don't repeat after me, but you put your finger on those words. Put your word on those on those words. A dangerous animal. Is
will run away to
escape death. So tiger wanted to run away.
Shall I tell something?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, he's not interested in reading. 100 times I tell at home to practice, but he never does that.
Devansh,
he hates reading.
Devansh, this is so bad, beta. Switch on your camera, Devansh. This is very bad, no, beta. You have to improve yourself, Devansh.
Yes.
And where we are not good in that area, we must work hard. Devansh, now you will have summer break. In that, you will have to read the story books. So it will increase the interest in reading. Have you understood, Devansh? So please
Yes.
promise your own self. Don't promise me. Don't promise your parents. Promise yourself that you will read more and more storybooks. You will definitely
Promise
increase
karo,
the.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Devansh? Okay. Now put your speakers off. It is Dhani and then Khwahish. It is Dhani and then Khwahish.
So saying, the tiger began to run away from there as fast as possible. A jackal saw the running tiger. Why are you running in great fear?
Fear. Fear is to get afraid. Okay.
The jackal asked. The tiger said,
No, beta. You cannot see the difference in the color, the different paragraph. You have, each child has to read one paragraph each. So saying, the tiger began to run away from there as fast as possible. A jackal saw the running tiger. Why are you running in great fear? The jackal asked. Khwahish.
The tiger said, my friend, a powerful and fierce animal has come to stay in my cave. The young ones are crying for a tiger to eat. The mother is promising to capture a tiger for them. So I am running away in great fear.
Good, Khwahish. It means that the mother deer's plan was working. As the mother deer wanted the tiger to get afraid, the tiger was really got afraid, and he said that, oh, the young ones are crying for a tiger to eat. Now let us see what the jackal tells him. This will be Arya Shah again. This will be Arya Shah again.
Yes, ma'am.
Arya, start.
The cunning jackal was now sure the tiger was coward. It
Coward
said
means?
to
Coward means who was not brave. Coward means who was not brave. Dhani, you want to ask me anything? Okay. It said,
the tiger, do not be afraid. No animal is fiercer.
No, Arya Shah, you are wrong.
Fiercer
Arya Shah, you are wrong. No animal is fiercer or stronger than a tiger. No, animal is not like that. No animal. Arya, read like that. Arya, read again.
Fiercer or strong.
No animal is
tiger
fiercer.
said, I don't want. Scroll down.
Arya Shah, you have no ears. I'm telling you again and again that you have to repeat these words. And when the paragraph gets end, you are not supposed to read the next paragraph. Mr. Shah, Arya, you are supposed to read again. Do not be afraid. No animal is fiercer or stronger. Say.
Then a tiger.
No. You have to repeat. Arya, I'm not going to leave you unless you repeat the words. You should start with do not be afraid. I read it 3 times for you.
Do not be afraid. No animal is fiercer or stronger than a tiger. Let us go together to find out.
Good. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. Please scroll, ma'am. But the tiger said, You may run away. I will be left alone. so I will not come with you.
Good. Anhad. Anhad beta. Where is Anhad? Anhad, start.
Okay, ma'am.
The
To take
jackal
a
said. The jackal said.
The jackal said, "Trust me, let us not cannot tails together, then I will not be able to leave you." Ma'am, you are stuck.
Yes, Anhad. Read again, beta. I was lost. My connection was lost.
The jackal said, "Trust
Can you
me."
see the presentation?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. Please read it again. The jackal said.
Jackal said, "Trust me, let us
Not. K silent.
let us not tails together, then I will not be able to leave you."
Good. Now after Anhad, Ayan Mania.
The tiger agreed unwillingly to this
Proposal means suggestion. Proposal is suggestion.
The jackal tied their tails in a knot.
Not. K is silent. Good, Ayan.
Now they walked towards the cave together.
Yes, here we stop the presentation. I would like to ask you that do you think that the mother deer was clever? Do you think the mother yes. She was very clever. Yes, she was very clever as she had thought of a plan of making the tiger run away. Okay, so good. And then the jackal told him that let us knot our tails together. If the tiger runs, the jackal would not run with the same speed with tiger. But he did not think of it. Both of them actually tiger. Okay, unwillingly means what, Anhad? What is unwillingly? Ayan, Aradhya, Arya, Daivik, what is unwillingly? Does anybody know? Devansh, Dhani, Kiplan? No? Okay. See, yes. Yes, Aradhya.
The tiger do not say any word and they walk to the cave.
See, will means our wish. W-I-L-L, will means our wish. So unwillingly means not with the wish. Means actually the tiger never wanted to accept this suggestion, but unwillingly, with not actually fulfill of his mind, he accepted. Okay, let us go with your plan. Okay, the next story, next time. The next part of the story, next time. Okay, here we end our class.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.